guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all this simple, nice, elegant makeup look. This is for all the working women here who want to attend a meeting or you have some official work and you need to do it. You have to look super elegant and beautiful, isn't it? So that is why I'm sharing you this makeup look and it's definitely going to help you all. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, if you can see, I'm done cleansing my face. I just went and washed my face thoroughly. Make sure you do this before so that you'll feel fresh from the inside and you'll feel really energetic. So this is the first step, and let's move on to the second step, which is moisturizing. So you all can use a good amount of moisturizer to nicely moisturize your face and your neck and blend it really well. I do not use a very wet kind of moisturizer. I use a very dry and matte finish moisturizer because I have combination skin type. And nicely blend this with your fingertips. And make sure to also tie your hair so that it doesn't irritate you while doing this look. And now what you're going to use is a sunscreen. Make sure to use a sunscreen because you're sitting in front of a laptop or a mobile. The radiations do affect your skin. Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Tap Sunscreen. It's a very nice sunscreen, especially for all skin types. It's really good. And I don't apply a huge amount, just a little, and then I just blend it off. Once I'm done blending my moisturizer, my sunscreen and everything, so I let it on to just sit for 1 minute so that it really penetrates in my skin and makes a layer. So until then, I would be moisturizing my lips. I use the Himalayas lip balm here and I feel massage it. Once we are done with moisturizing our lips and letting everything set on our face, I'm going to use a concealer here. We're not going to use any foundations or BB creams because this is not some marriage or function like we are going to go. So I'm using the NY based stick concealer here. It's a very nice creamy product, so it can be used on a daily basis too. I'm taking the very minimal amount of it and then start blending into my under eye like this. And you don't have to use a primer also because you're not doing any base or a heavy base like makeup. And we're going to blend this really. So I'm done with this one eye. If you can see an instant difference, your face looks more brighter and you look more active and fresh. So the same way I'll do this eye also and be back. So you can see now I've done blending both my eyes. So now what I'm going to do is take a little more concealer. If you have anywhere dark spots just like me, I have like 1 or 2 acne here. I'm just going to dab it here and just blend it with my finger. It gives an instant result and it makes your darkness just subtle and neat and gives a skin-like finish, which is beautiful. And now let's move on to setting this because now it's summer and you have to definitely set it so that it doesn't melt and form a crease. So I'm using a normal powder here. This is a Mysore Sandal talc powder that I'm using. If you have a talcum powder or if you don't want to use a talcum powder, you can use compact. And now here using a brush, I'm going to apply this wherever I applied concealer and set it completely. But I'm applying on my whole face because I have a really oily T-zone here. So I'm going to apply this on my complete face. So now we are done setting our face with a compact or a powder. So it's very nice. It will make you look very nice and matte. What we're going to do is fill our eyebrows. I'm using the Swiss Beauty pencil for that. Eyebrows play a really important role and it looks super nice when you comb and fill your brows. It gives a lot of change, so definitely try this out. Giving a little bit of color and then again combing it. So you all can see my brows, what an instant difference it made. It looks more defined and looks more natural but nice. So don't overfill it, it will look too dramatic then. Now let's move on to the next product. So here I'm using this lip gloss. This, I don't know the brand, it's really gone off now. So I'm just going to apply this a little. So take it little and blend it with your finger. Now you can see I've done using my lip gloss here. It's very simple and a light pink shade, so it doesn't give that pop-off look. So the next product here I have is a blush. You would ask me, really, is it important to wear a blush? Yes, definitely. It would give a very nice, elegant and beautiful look, very flushed and very energetic, which is really important. So I just dust off just a little is enough and blend it in the upward motion, not only here. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get all my notifications and be a part of my family. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting me, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family members so that even they get to know how to achieve this look. Thank you so much guys. Let's see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.